Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southeast on Bob Marley Boulevard towards Wailers Circle in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. Turning off Bob Marley Boulevard onto Wailers Circle. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre. And Wailers Circle is named after the Wailers Band. Wailers Circle ends. Turning off Wailers Circle onto Wailers Avenue. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.